In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reconcile credit card payments in Xero step by step. This is something that confuses a lot of people because when you pay off your credit card, you're not actually recording a new expense. You're simply moving money from one account to another. If you've ever wondered why your balances don't match or why Xero won't let you reconcile properly, this video will clear that up. Make sure to watch until the end so you can avoid common mistakes. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials. Let's jump straight into it. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This is where you'll see all the bank accounts and credit card accounts connected to your Xero file. Now, find the checking account that you use to pay your credit card bill. On the right-hand side of that account, you'll see a blue button that says Reconcile, followed by the number of items waiting to be reconciled. Click that Reconcile button. You'll now be taken to the reconciliation screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see the bank statement lines that have been imported from your bank feed. Look for the transaction that represents the payment you made to your credit card company. It will usually appear as a payment or transfer with the credit card provider's name and the amount you paid. Here's the important part. Many people make the mistake of trying to code this as an expense, but that's incorrect. You've already recorded the individual expenses when you use the credit card. This payment is simply transferring money from your checking account to your credit card account. In accounting terms, this is called a bank transfer. So instead of choosing Create or matching it to an expense, go to the right-hand side of that transaction and click on the Transfer tab. This tells Xero that you're moving money between two accounts inside your organization. Once you click Transfer, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Select a Bank Account. Click on that drop-down and choose your credit card account. If you're practicing or testing, you could also select a savings account, but in a real scenario, you'll select the actual credit card account that received the payment. After selecting the correct account, double-check that the amount matches the bank statement line exactly. This is very important. If the amounts don't match, the reconciliation won't complete properly. Once everything looks correct, click the blue OK button. Xero will now record this as a transfer from your checking account to your credit card account, and the transaction will be reconciled. Now, what happens on the credit card side? If your credit card account also has a bank feed connected, you'll see the incoming payment appear there as well. When you reconcile on the credit card account, Xero will usually suggest a match for that transfer automatically. All you need to do is confirm it, and both sides will be properly balanced. That's it. You've successfully reconciled a credit card payment in Xero the correct way. Just remember, paying off a credit card is not an expense. It's a transfer. The expenses were recorded at the time of purchase. Keeping this clear in your mind will help you avoid duplicate expenses and messy reports. If this video helped you understand how to reconcile credit card payments in Xero, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Xero accounting tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.